Just make the garage a little bit cuter. Finally got my dash cam in. The cutesy little workout hack in order together. This is dangerous. A passenger princess. I'll probably like it. Is that even? I love you! What's up guys? Got another vlog for you this week. So we're gonna start out today's video. We're gonna finish up this accent wall. Is that what it's called? An accent wall in my garage. So we're putting down wallpaper. So I am renting, I'm in an apartment. Can't really be painting the walls in here, but I can't stand this unfinished business going on. So yeah, we're gonna lay down some wallpaper on this back wall. I started it last video, but after a slight miscalculation, I did not have enough, but I just had more delivered yesterday. So let's just finish up this wall real quick. I'm excited for how it's gonna look. The first line didn't go too well. Kind of folded over on itself, and then there was no saving it. So yeah, just kind of had to cut it out. Okay, finally making some progress here. I'm worried I'm not gonna have enough. This is my last little bit. Because I think if I wouldn't have messed up and folded that over, I would have had just enough. Just gonna hope and pray that I can get this done today. Okay, good news is I just built this cute little shelf. A real ass garage shelf, right? Yeah. Okay, cool. And I'm just gonna put this in the corner so I can put all of my car stuff on it. Bad news, however, I did not order enough of the wallpaper. Of course, I think if I wouldn't have messed up, I might have had just enough, but I have one additional roll coming tomorrow, so I'll be able to finish that up tomorrow, and I think it'll look really good.
Tomorrow.
Okay, good morning. So we're at the gym this morning. It's Monday, so we're gonna lock in and get a cutesy little workout in. I'm supposed to be meeting my friend Brenna, but she ain't here yet. So we're gonna have a little leg day together. We're gonna do like hamstrings. Honestly, I'm trying to get her to join my gym, so hopefully we can have more little girl date workouts. She's actually wearing one of my shirts today. Okay guys, so my first round, calm down Jonathan Davis. My first round of hoodie pre-orders came in, so I'm getting those sent out today. So I thought we could go ahead and pack an order together. So these are the hoodies that I just released. They're the I Only Talk Cars hoodies. So if you order one of these, the bags I ordered came in really big, so you get your own little body bag here if you order one of these. I have my shirt bags, but this is like too small. We're sending it burrito style. This is so funny. So every order gets a little rose sticker, so I made these. I drew them. This little rose, and there's a little KR on there. So one of these, John, I'm sending you 2 of them since you're a member. Thank you card, and I just sign it. And then we just print out a shipping label. It says it will be there in 3 business days. So yeah, you will get this before this video comes out. I forgot I got some Hershey Kisses that I'm gonna put in there. I hope you like almonds. There's nuts in there, so hopefully you aren't allergic, and hopefully you're not. Hopefully you're not. Thank you for pre-ordering. All right, so I've been dilly-dallying. So dropped off those orders, got those shipped out. I'm actually getting ready to go out tonight. It's my friend Brenna's birthday, so I'm trying to make her day pretty special. So her love language is literally being a passenger princess, so I just kind of put some birthday decorations up in my car because I'm gonna pick her up for dinner tonight. I hope she'll like it. Okay. Here we go, let's roll. All right, here she comes. I love you! Hi! Happy birthday to you! Oh no! Okay, I guess we're gonna go look at my car.
Right here?
Yeah.
Ooh. Ripper? I like that. With the matte black?
Yeah, it's good.
Oh.
I love her.
Oh my God, she's beautiful.
I know, I love her. She's so good. It's so much better.
Rear wheel or all wheel?
All wheel and rear wheel. It's
okay,
both. You can press a button, it'll switch modes. I know, it's so cool.
Oh, Pete, your rear lights say laser.
I like it.
I love it. Cute. Thank you.
Chicken skin.
Very okay.
Oh
quieres jugar. Mira cada mes en tu vida. Voy a ponerte brincar. La bella que era por el cielo. Siento que ya me he deseado.
Hey YouTube, make sure you smash that subscribe button. Milky Cocoa, push your milk.
Alright you guys, so before we finish up in the garage today, because everything else should get delivered, but honestly I'm so stoked. You guys, I finally got my dash cam in for baby girl. Long overdue. So we got Redtiger here. So Redtiger is no stranger to the channel, you guys. These are my favorite dash cams. I had one in mock, and now it's time for baby girl to get hers set up. So we have the F17 dash cam. So this is a 2.7K 1080p 3/4 channel dash cam with Starvis 2 and voice control. So for me, I love a dash cam that not only shows the front view, but it also shows the interior view and the rear view. We got cameras all around up in here. So let's get this unboxed and get our new dash cam set up in baby girl. So it has a 3-inch touchscreen, 5.8 gigahertz of Wi-Fi, which the Wi-Fi on these cameras, you guys, so fast. And then a G sensor. A G sensor? Oh, so we got the user manual, electrostatic sticker. So the power supply, just an easy plug and play device, and cable clips. Nice, the cable clips are new. I like that. Yeah, cool. Cute! This one is a lot smaller than the one that I had in mock, which that one was a little bit too big for me. This is nice. Ooh, I kind of like this too. Will this flip around? It will. Oh, this is cool. And then this is the second camera, which look at this. You can turn these completely around. Look at that. Oh, where do I put this? Do I not have a smoke hole? I have to. Oh, there it is. Okay. What is it called? Is this not called a smoke hole? Inglés. Oh, what am I doing? Oh, okay. All right. Takes pictures. Okay, let me get her set up and then I'll show you the results. Whoa. Careful, SpongeBob. Yeah. Okay, we got the back camera set up now. Now let's pull it up in the app here. So we go into the Redtiger app. Sorry if my phone screen's dirty. I was at the gym, okay? 17 Elite. Okay. Wow, so we got all the cameras going on. Cool, cool. That's a lot of cameras, actually. It's like a whole security system here. Look at all these cameras, you guys. This is awesome. And then put a Wi-Fi on. Redtiger, join, password. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Highly secure. Boom, connected. Okay, cool. Oh, sorry, bonked ya. That's your first bonk of the video, though, so we're doing great. Connect camera. Okay, now we're connecting. All right, now let's go get some footage with the new camera. I'm stoked. Let's actually haven't eaten breakfast yet, so let's go grab some food. All right, so we got the camera fully set up. If it looks like a disco party, it's because of my heads-up display. But this is the interior view, and then here we have the front where you can clearly make out the car in front of me's license plate. And then here is the rear camera's front-facing camera, to where it's just like looking into the inside of my car, where we can see my carbon fiber bucket seats. Here, I already caught somebody that just was at a stop sign and decided to randomly throw it in reverse, and I actually had to honk at them.
Turn right onto South Zampier Street, then turn right onto East.
And yeah, that's the exact reason why it's important to have a dash cam for people like that. And then here is the rear camera, so captured this little 911 just driving behind me. You can even see the guy taking a drink behind the wheel. So that's the rear facing camera, and yeah, it looks really good. Pretty happy with this camera setup. I like having the 4 different ones. Even the nighttime driving clips come out pretty clear, where you can still make out the license plate in the rear camera. And the front, again, we have the heads-up display creating a disco party. All right, new dash cam is a go, and I love it. I'm stoked. This thing is awesome, you guys. Like 4 different cameras and all the different angles. I really like it. So thank you, Redtiger, for not only sending me a dash cam for baby girl, but sponsoring this video, feeding me, feeding my rats. Thank you so much. I'll have everything linked down in the description as well as my discount code, so check that out below. If you have any questions on the dash cam, please let me know and I'd be more than happy to answer them. But we're gonna get in the garage, we're gonna hopefully finish up the whole interior setup that we're doing in there and just make the garage a little bit cuter, a little bit more of a vibe. Okay, we're back home and I'm just kind of like working on everything in the garage, just like organizing things. So what's funny is I had another Amazon package delivered and I ordered a whole nother really big roll. So this is the biggest roll. This is a 15.7 by 480. I don't know what to do here. So I can either like, I was thinking maybe doing some like lines of wallpaper on the sides, but that might look weird. I also could return it and get like $40 back because I have another one coming anytime now. This should be between like 3 and 6 p.m. So like at any point, because I have like that little piece in the corner that I need to finish. So I don't know what to do here. Last Christmas this year, to save me from tears, I'll give it to someone stupid. Oh, my shirt! This is dangerous. Maybe I shouldn't do it so close to baby girl. Close enough. Now next time we go to the auto parts store, we can just take this and throw it out. All right, screw it. I decided we're gonna keep the wallpaper, the extra wallpaper, and we're gonna do some lines on the side. I don't really want to, but I'll probably like it if I do it, right? I hope so. Okay, so I laid down the stripes. I think I like it. I think I like it better than just like the unfinished walls. They're not up yet. It's just like taped on there, but yeah. I mean, it's kind of funky just because, you know, the walls are still unfinished, but I think it fills them up a little bit more. And then once I put up like the posters and everything, I think it'll look a little bit cooler in here. Hopefully. Okay, we have one more to do after this one. I think it's looking pretty good. Look who's here. Odin. You don't really fit there, but Odin's helping me out. So I'm hanging up some things on the wall here. My 2 plates, we got Ripper, which I know is supposed to be on the front of baby girl, but I like it better on the wall. And then we have Mock's old plate, and then my grandpa's Damn I'm Good sign. It's like the one thing that I have from him. May he rest in peace. Yeah, now I'm just hanging up the rest of my decor in here. So I have some posters to hang up. Got this BMW flag. Let's see how big it is before I hang it up. Ooh, yes. Hey, it's big. Oh, W? No, W chat. There we go. N for money. You guys, I have no business owning a BMW. It's backwards. Alright, cool. Is that even? Okay. Too late now. Look at him. He's a garage kitty. Are you a garage kitty? Yes. I love you. All right, and then for this wall, I think this wall is probably gonna end up being the Star Wars wall, because you guys, I told you guys I like Darth Maul and you guys ran with it. So, so let me show you what we got here. We got the Phantom Menace. Lem got me my Sith poster of Darth Maul here. Thank you, legend. And then Evil got me this real evil looking Darth Maul poster. So we got some Star Wars things to hang up here. Well, here it is for now. I'm actually really happy with it. Okay, so on this wall I got my 2 Star Wars or the Phantom Menace posters here. I did get a plant, but I think I'm actually gonna get like a light to plug in and then put a shelf there and have like the plant dangling. My shelf built, So I just have storage, motorcycle helmet up there. I'll probably have all of my car cleaning supplies here once I do that. Tools here. I feel like there's a way to like mount tools, like my wrenches and stuff on the wall. So maybe I'll look at something like that. And then I have my oil pan, Odin's backseat bed, floor jacks, car parts down there. Here's just like a little workstation. All the stickers that I have on my shop. So yeah, and then just some like random ones that I've been collecting from, this is from the drag strip where we raced baby girl. I got this one from my gynecologist. Fast cars, good vibes. You know, got my flag up the right way. This Sith poster on here. I put it on the opposite side instead, I think, just that way it's not like it's not like Darth Maul overkill in here. But yeah, I really like it. I like the blackness in here. I think, you know, with baby girl and whatnot, but still have my sim rig in here, down and out. Got good old Jack the Ripper here. Yeah, I'm really happy with how it's going so far. It's definitely giving like 13-year-old boy's room if it wasn't for the pink couch, but I love it. Yeah, let me know what you think. We'll be probably needing to consider lighting options in here because it's so dark. It's so dark in here. Like if I had to ceramic coat anything, I wouldn't be able to see shit. My only concern is mounting lights on the ceiling because I would need to rent a ladder, and I don't know if I could even find a ladder that like would fit in baby girl, so I have no idea. I have no idea how I'm gonna get up there because I think they're 10, 11 foot tall ceilings. Yeah, maybe I'll just do lights on like the side. I don't know, I'm open to suggestions, but if you made it this far in the video, thank you so much for being here and watching. Make sure you like this video and subscribe. I'll see you on Sunday for a live stream. We're gonna do another passenger princess view this week. So please tap in, say hello, say it was good chat, and yeah, I love you so much. Have a great weekend. Bye.